Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Dr. Asad and I'm working as consultant interventional cardiologist in Civil Hospital Karachi and Dow University of Health Sciences. 29th September is celebrated as World Heart Day. And every year, various organizations arrange seminars and workshops to create awareness among the people. On the occasion of this World Heart Day, I wish you all to have a healthy life with a smiling heart. And to accomplish this goal, we should have healthy diet and regular exercise. Thank you very much.